Ahmed is a reserved student who often battles with feelings of self-doubt, especially when faced with new challenges. In the classroom, his fear of making mistakes holds him back from fully engaging with his peers and teachers. When the school announces a reading competition, Ahmed's anxiety intensifies. He worries about being judged and fears that any errors he makes will be noticed by everyone. The thought of participating fills him with hesitation, making the decision to join the competition a difficult one. Despite his apprehension, Ahmed quietly observes as others express excitement, unsure if he can overcome his own fears. Motivated by Ayhan's encouragement and his mother's unwavering support, Ahmed starts to confront the doubts that have held him back. He makes the courageous decision to enter the competition, marking a turning point in his journey. Through consistent practice and determination, Ahmed slowly transforms his apprehension into self-assurance. Each day, his confidence grows as he witnesses the results of his hard work. The process is not always easy, but with every challenge, Ahmed becomes more resilient and focused on his goal. On the day of the competition, Ahmed stands before his classmates, feeling the familiar flutter of nerves. As he begins to read, he pushes past his fears and finds a sense of strength he hadn't known before. The applause from the audience fills him with pride, not because he won, but because he overcame his own doubts. Although Ahmed doesn't take first place, he understands that his real victory lies in his courage and willingness to try. His journey inspires others to see that growth and effort matter more than the outcome. Through his experience, Ahmed demonstrates that true success is found in personal development and resilience. The lesson he shares encourages everyone to embrace challenges and believe in their ability to improve.